What does 10 years of somebody's life look like? What experiences have they had? What impact on other people have they had when they were around? The once strangers that became friends, and those same friends that once became family. This is why I love this hobby so much, the hobby of radio control. It's so much more than just building amazing machines or being creative or fabricating or just giving personal expression, even though it is all those things. It's the ability to be a part of a community. It's the ability to reach out with other people and connect. This is the magic that I found in this hobby. And RC Adventures has been my experience.
Oh yeah.
And here we are, finally, after all this time, after all the adventures. I'm able to gather some of my best friends that have been with us through the years. Everett, welcome back. The fifth scale boss, RCSparks Steve.
How's it going, all?
Of course, Rookie on the end. He's always been with us throughout the years. We're going to be having lots of visitors throughout this series. And today we want to focus on the big project, the Tanks a Lot project, teaming up with Armortek out of England. We wanted to find something extra special, extra big, extra unique for this, big event. Why not? It comes once in a YouTube career, so why not build something huge?
What's the event?
What comes once in a YouTube career?
Did you not just watch the first minute of the video?
Oh,
I said there was
I
a
forgot.
I haven't seen it
about
You guys haven't seen it?
No.
We're pre-recording this.
Oh.
So there's a part before the place. 10 years. So we're gonna unbox the tank.
That one video in the 32 mark was pretty awesome,
Wasn't it?
Boys, you want to grab this one here? This will be the first long box. We're going to open it up, see what's on the inside. Straight out of London. First box from Armortek up on the bench. The Elefant. Let me get it. There we go. Box 1 of 4. This is the first box anyway. We had to air fly. Oh no!
You better get mowed.
A ton of
It is a
it,
good
eh?
site that they did that at least.
Oh yeah, exactly. This is all biodegradable stuff, just in case anyone's wondering if this falls out. It
I found the instructions.
disintegrates. Awesome.
And a pen.
Awesome, and certificate of authenticity
Nice.
for the largest build we have ever done.
Wow.
Is it heavy?
This feels like armor plating.
Yeah.
Mudguard.
Holy,
The size of that.
That's your
that's a
mudguard.
heavy mud guard.
Holy cow!
This is the hull side.
Mr. Steve?
Yes.
Your job is going to be to unwrap, but make sure to take the label off and fix it onto the piece, please, if that's
we're
cool.
gonna need a roll of tape for that.
Exactly. I got some masking tape.
Oh yeah.
Servos, yeah, this is the
Yeah,
electronics.
this is electronics box. We got pipes for a smoker maybe. That looks like
Copper.
copper. This is all our electronics. Okay, wow.
What are we
That's
looking
That's
at?
the controller.
The motor control.
That is the biggest
Holy
ESC
cow,
I've
that's
ever
an
seen.
ESC! Holy cow!
Crazy.
That's your motion control. That is giant.
Wow.
In my hands over here, I got the recoil mechanism.
Yes, so when it fires, it looks like it's
Yeah.
actually firing. Now
It's got all the electronics for it and some parts to build it with, it feels like.
the question is going to be, does it actually fire a projectile? And at this moment, it does not. But it has all the electronics and sound kit. I ordered everything, guys.
Yeah.
That is your sound
Smoke kit, yeah, that's the sound kit right there.
This is mechanical motion parts. I'm not sure.
I'm excited to see the speaker, man.
I think it must be this right here.
Yeah, da-na-na-na-na-na.
Servos.
Look at this.
Speaker.
2 speakers?
Yes, 2, yeah.
2 speakers.
Great.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah, they want you to be able to hear it from down the field.
Exactly.
Don't want to lose it.
I don't know what this is, but it's heavy. That is like all the weight in the box.
What's it say on it there? Oh my God, that is heavy.
That is
Gearing
heavy.
probably.
Gear, yeah, gears.
Ratio 16:1, so this will be your gearboxes.
Yeah.
I really want to see these.
Yeah, open them up, man. Let's see what we got. Everett, it's like Scrooge McDuck going diving in his dollar bills, in his gold.
Here's the control shelf for the ESC or something.
Perfect.
Oh.
Oh, nice.
Wow.
Okay, here we go. So Armortek, the world's leading manufacturer of 1/6 scale metal models, the Tiger 1. Well, we don't have the Tiger 1. We have a cousin of the Tiger, which is an amazing machine. This must be actually, can you hold that open for me there? Look at there. There's the Elefant right there. That's what we're building, folks. That is the one right on top.
Wow, those are beautiful.
And then all the models that Armortek has in there. I hope we get to do more. I really want to do a FAMO. It's absolutely a really neat machine. Both,
Personnel carrier?
yeah, tires and tracks. What is that, dude?
Garage door openers are here.
Holy cow.
Those are the drive motors?
Holy cow.
How
Yeah.
big of a battery do we need for
Two
this thing?
12-volt batteries, car batteries, dude. Yeah, we're not
Just
fooling
to add
around.
another 150 pounds to
That
it.
is incredible.
Yeah, yeah.
It is.
This is why.
Swap.
This is why. Yeah. This is what
Wow,
they do.
those are heavy.
They're tanks in themselves.
Yeah, yeah. So we're gonna build it on this table and then drive it off on a ramp. Hopefully it can hold
I
the.
have steel ramps at home. We may need those.
Yeah, I've got some too. Come on now. You know that.
Apparently they're kind of switching.
Just killer, man.
Well, this one's 27 kilos, so it's 50 pounds. Over 55 pounds.
Look at this. He's been unwrapping.
Bad boys, eh? Look how
thick
thick
they
they are.
Well, it's scale armor, boys. That's the whole point of Armortek's gig, hey? Like, that's what they
You
do.
think that's the inside or the outside? Probably the outside.
It's the
eh?
hull side,
Oh,
it
the hull
says.
side.
Yeah, so the
Above the
one
track.
with the Armortek will be in, and this will be out.
Yeah.
Because they're not going to put a label on the
There's
outside. 'Cause it's
nothing
going to be
on this
scale.
The largest tank they build.
Surprisingly enough, lighter than the motors.
Yeah.
That's aluminum, eh?
Oh, that's your antenna tube.
Holy, look at this. That's the speaker.
What?
It's like the size of the speakers from my home stereo.
And there's two of them?
There's two of them.
Holy.
That is
Stereo sound, baby.
Yeah.
Yeah. It should
Sound great.
have a nice rumble.
Scare the crap out of somebody with those.
That's the whole point, eh? Is to make it sound as realistic as possible. Yeah. Well, even on Armortek, look at this. Such a neat. So the turret does not move on the Elefant, guys. If you do research on this, you'll find out it used to be called the Ferdinand, built and designed by Porsche. Amazing, back in Germany. A close cousin to the Tiger 1. This actually started off on a Tiger 1 hull, but I don't want to get into too much of the detail right now. I just think it is very super cool if you guys want to check it out. Basically a long-range tank destroyer. These are some of the options it comes with. And what do we got here? This is the instruction book. Man, I've got a lot of reading to do.
Yep.
Joe! Dude!
Hi,
You made it!
boys. Almost wiped out on the corner.
What?
Spilled my f***ing nibs everywhere.
Oh, man.
I smell nibs already.
What's going on, dude?
I'm ready.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
We should catch you up to what's going on, hey?
So, catch me up.
You don't have a beer, so fix that problem. Boys, take care of Joe. Now my boys are in full effect, eh? So many parts to put together.
So much stuff. This is 15, 20 pounds, this whole, just this bag.
ribbon gear. Want to see the gears?
Look at this, guys. Check this out.
Yeah.
There you go. Look at the machining on this gear. Unbelievable. It's sharp, like those teeth are sharp. It's gonna have lots of bite. Right there for the key. Sweet.
Talking about
The money shot. Oh, you lucky bugger.
Here's a piece of the tank, the track itself. just one piece, and they all come disassembled. So a lot of assembling just to get one track.
There's multiple bags called.
Dude, that's
Yeah.
That is one solid billet piece. That is crazy.
I've never seen anything like this, man. Unbelievable. Like when you film it, we've all done such a good job of making small machines look large.
Crazy. They had to tap every
Yeah.
hole.
Yeah, they're all threaded.
If I believe on their website, they say they make the armor scale thickness. So
Correct.
that's
On the-
1/6 of
Yeah.
what it would be in real life.
This
So
was the thing
it
that.
would be 6 inches thick of solid steel.
Oh, dude, look at
Look
that.
at your scale bolts.
No, dude.
That's,
Yeah,
the,
we
big,
did
that's the biggest ball
Yeah.
link I've ever seen in my life.
Oh my god.
What?
I don't even know what to
Barrel was
say.
fitting or something.
That's got to be the barrel where it fits in the
Yes.
cupola.
Yeah.
Oh, of
Sleeve is
course,
what you
yeah.
call that, yeah.
Yeah.
Because you can move the barrel up and down.
That's right. Up
Gun
and down,
mount.
left and right.
Gun mount, yeah.
Rookies building it.
I know, he's trying to build it already.
I don't need no instructions.
Yeah.
Rookie!
I just want to play and build.
That's
The
so
barrel
sweet.
looks so amazing. Holy cow. The machining on it alone.
How come you didn't screw it together?
I did.
Just now.
It's all done?
Yeah.
Did you use Loctite?
No.
Well, what the fuck? You're gonna have to take it apart again.
Yeah. It's 2 sets of threads, Joe. And it's all got to be cleaned and washed. Don't. I'm playing. Leave me alone.
It was insane, dude. It was insane. You barely touched it. I'm talking barely touching your.
That's what drop like
your
this.
torque, man. It was just
Weighs
insane.
nothing.
Yeah,
I
it was
love trials, man.
Yeah, me too.
Just having a look at some of the electronics here. This is for the motion.
Remote start.
Yeah. Different servos. We're noticing quite a few servos in here.
Just for
I'm trying to
switches.
figure out what
Yeah,
the
it could be
remote
for switches.
start is. What the heck is the remote start?
Well, that's where you started up with the remote. That seems to be a silly question.
That's a good point.
Thank
I don't
you.
think that's what it is.
These speakers are insane. I can't believe how huge these are. It's gonna have a little bit of rumble to it.
The wiring looks like household wire. It's huge.
Yeah, very thick gauge.
That's your battery lead. This one is battery link
Yeah.
cable. 'Cause
So
you're running
two 12
batteries in
volts
series,
for
are you? Or
24.
parallel?
Yeah,
Oh,
there's
so
like a 12
series.
gauge from here.
Yeah,
Yeah,
24. Okay.
yeah, that's at least 12, if not 10.
No, it's
Yeah.
like that.
So there we go. We got all the pieces undone, and everything is ready to go. We want to get started on this as much as you guys do, but we wanted to get this, bring everybody together, and say thanks a lot for watching. Thanks a lot, I guess.
Thanks
All
a lot.
right, guys. See you in the next episode of Varsity Adventures.
Are we going to say that a lot?
Of course we are. That's what we're doing. Bye, guys.
Now.
10 years.